Belgium is taking a significant step forward in modern naval technology with its latest mine countermeasure vessel, the M941 Tournai, which is now preparing to begin sea trials ahead of its scheduled delivery in March 2026. As part of the joint Belgian-Dutch Replacement Mine Countermeasures (rMCM) program, this vessel represents a leap into a new era of unmanned and remote naval operations. The rMCM initiative, valued at over €2 billion, was designed to replace the aging Tripartite-class minehunters with ships capable of operating multiple autonomous and remotely controlled systems, allowing for mine detection, classification, and disposal while keeping crew members safely out of harm's way. Tournai is the second Belgian ship to be delivered under this program and the third vessel overall, joining the lead unit Oostende, M940, in Zeebrugge, Belgium. The Tournai's construction demonstrates the complexity and multinational collaboration required for modern naval projects. The keel was laid on March 29, 2023, during the launch ceremony of Oostende at the Giurgiu shipyard in Romania. While the bow and part of the hull were built in Gdynia, Poland, the stern and superstructure were assembled at the Piraeus shipyard in Concarneau, France. After assembly, the hull was transferred to an open-air area for painting in April 2024, and the vessel was officially launched on July 2, 2024, in a ceremony attended by Belgian Minister of Defense Ludovine de Donder and the Mayor of Tournai, Paul-Olivier Delanois. Following the launch, the ship underwent extensive fitting-out, system integration, and final preparations for its upcoming sea trials, which will confirm the operational capabilities of its advanced technologies before it enters service in Zeebrugge in early 2026. The M941 Tournai belongs to the City class, known as Vlissingen class in Dutch service, and measures 82.3 meters in length with a beam of 17 meters and a draft of 3.8 meters. With a full load displacement of approximately 2,900 tons, the ship is designed for low acoustic and magnetic signatures to enhance survivability in mine-infested waters. Propulsion is provided through a combined diesel-electric and diesel (CODLAD) system, featuring one ABC-12 VDZC diesel generator, two ABC-6 DZC diesel generators, and two MEP electric motors rated at 1,800 kilowatts each. These drive twin fixed-pitch propellers by Wärtsilä and are complemented by bow and stern transverse thrusters for precision maneuvering at low speeds. The vessel can reach a maximum speed of 15.3 knots, while crew complement varies from 33 to 63 personnel depending on mission configuration, emphasizing flexibility for both operational and training requirements. Central to Tournai's capabilities is its sophisticated integration of unmanned systems. The ship's combat management and mission control architecture combines Naval Group's Polaris, SETI-C, system with Exail's UMIS, unmanned MCM integrated system, allowing for seamless coordination of multiple unmanned assets on or below the surface. This includes the Umisoft Mission Data Management System, a containerized mine warfare system, MWS, command center, and a multi-drone mission system, MDMS, capable of controlling up to 80 robotic units simultaneously. These unmanned platforms include the ECA Inspector 125 surface vessels, which can deploy T-18M towed sonars, A-18M autonomous underwater vehicles, or remotely operated vehicles such as the Seascan Mk2 and K-STER-C for mine identification and neutralization. Some Inspector 125 units are equipped for influence sweeping using Exail draggers with integrated CTM magnetic modules, enabling acoustic and magnetic mine countermeasures at standoff distances. The vessel's sensor suite is comprehensive, combining forward-looking IXBlue FLS-60 sonar, ECA T-18M towed sonar, and A-18M autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with UMIS's 120 synthetic aperture sonar. Surface surveillance and targeting rely on Terma Scanter 6000 radar and Thales NS-50A ESA radar, while electro-optical coverage is provided by two Sea Eagle FCEO stabilized camera units with high-definition, infrared, and laser range-finding capabilities. Communications are managed through Saab's tactical system and an IX-Blue inertial navigation system, ensuring precise station keeping and secure command over unmanned systems. This extensive integration allows Tournai to maintain an operational picture in real time, enabling mission commanders to deploy unmanned assets effectively while remaining outside dangerous minefields. While the ship's primary mission focuses on mine countermeasures, its defensive and support armament ensures self-protection and situational awareness in contested environments. Tournai carries 1 BAE Bofors 40 Mk4 gun, 2 FN Herstal C Defender remote weapon stations armed with 12.7 mm FN M3R machine guns, for 7.62 mm FN MAG general-purpose machine guns, 2 long-range acoustic devices, LRAD, and 2 water cannons. Additionally, 2 UMS Skelder V-200 rotary-wing unmanned aerial vehicles operate as reconnaissance platforms and communication relays, enhancing situational awareness and mine detection at extended ranges. Drone deployment systems designed by Naval Group allow side-mounted launch and recovery systems, LARS, to launch and recover unmanned surface vessels efficiently, ensuring rapid mission adaptability. The internal hangar spans the full width of the vessel and includes overhead and stern cranes, allowing for maintenance, storage, and reconfiguration of unmanned systems and containerized payloads. 2 7-meter Salas Viking rigid-hulled inflatable boats are available for boarding and inspection tasks. The ship generates up to 32 megawatts of power, supporting its extensive suite of mission systems and providing capacity for future modular payloads. This combination of advanced robotics, autonomous systems, and versatile support infrastructure reflects the Belgian Navy's strategy of conducting mine clearance operations from a safe distance while minimizing risk to crew members. The rMCM program was awarded in 2019 to Belgium Naval and Robotics after a competitive bidding process, which included submissions from STX France and Thales, as well as Damon Group with Imtech Belgium. Belgium's 6-vessel allocation under the program received a budget of €1.1 billion, while the Dutch Navy is procuring 6 parallel ships with slight variations in combat system integration. Delivery schedules have been adjusted over time, with Oostende already delivered in August 2025, Vlissingen at the end of 2025, Tournai expected in March 2026, and Brugge by December 2026, followed by Liège, Antwerpen, and Rochefort through 2029. The program not only replaces obsolete vessels but also enhances Belgium's logistical and command capabilities, aligning with NATO's strategic priorities for mine countermeasures. Once commissioned, Tournai will join Oostende and future units in transitioning Belgium's fleet away from the Tripartite-class ships, several of which have already been transferred to Bulgaria for Black Sea operations. The City-class ships, with their drone-centered architecture, represent a new standard in NATO mine warfare, enabling multi-domain operations that integrate autonomous surface and underwater systems with manned command and control. This technological shift allows Belgium to maintain its long-standing role in mine countermeasure operations while adopting a forward-looking approach that emphasizes automation, flexibility, and interoperability with allied navies. The Tournai's entry into service is expected to be a turning point for the Belgian Navy. By deploying an integrated network of unmanned systems capable of remote and autonomous mine clearance, the Navy is not only modernizing its fleet but also contributing significantly to NATO's collective security in maritime domains. The vessel's advanced design, combined with its sophisticated sensor and drone integration, ensures that Belgium will remain among the first NATO fleets to field a fully coordinated, drone-driven mine countermeasure system. This capability enhances operational efficiency, reduces risk to personnel, and positions Belgium at the forefront of naval innovation in Europe. In conclusion, the M941 Tournai embodies the next generation of mine countermeasure vessels through its combination of cutting-edge unmanned systems, robust defensive capabilities, and modular operational flexibility. As it undergoes sea trials and prepares for delivery to Zeebrugge, the ship represents a culmination of multinational collaboration, advanced engineering, and strategic planning. With Tournai and its sister ships, Belgium is not only replacing an aging fleet but also setting a benchmark for future naval operations where drones and autonomous systems play a central role in ensuring maritime safety. The commissioning of Tournai in 2026 will mark the full operational integration of a drone-focused mine warfare capability within the Belgian Navy, reinforcing its contribution to NATO missions and establishing a new standard for European maritime security.